So, it's January 28th, 2022. It has been snowing for about 5 days straight. We had about 1 meter of snow, but now we have some sun and we're testing our solar oven to see how well it does at low temperatures. So we have set it up for about 45 minutes and let's see the temperature. Whoa. So the temperature is about 190 degrees Celsius. Oh my god, that's too much. I don't know if you can see it because of the sun. Okay. It's 190. Maybe that's more than we need. So the air temperature outside is about 3 or 4 degrees Celsius. So that's pretty amazing, I think. Yeah. Considering the fact that for 5 days many people in Athens and Attica have been without electricity and they're waiting for the government to fix it, but that takes time, so they don't have the means to cook. But we have solar power and our solar oven, and we are self-sufficient. This has 2 cylindrical containers which you can cook in, and we have put 2 different types of bread, one over here and one over here, and we're gonna take them out in about 10 minutes and put 2 different cakes. We still have some sun. Pretty amazing. Pretty awesome.